what's up, and welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Amira Jean, if you haven't met her yet. She's 2 months old. My two beautiful babies. Alright, so today we're going to do a room tour of my new bedroom that we just kind of renovated, I guess. We just got a new bed frame and a new vanity. Super excited about it. To me, it's kind of like a whole new bedroom because everything's so different and pretty.
For 16 years, I've been a baby, making mommy. I've been a
16 years?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I've been know you've been watching me grow up as a baby of mommy making videos.
I'm going to show you my simple everyday look that I do here lately. This look that I have right now is what you're going to be seeing because Amira Jean won't let me do anything else. And yeah, so if you want to see my new bedroom and watch me get ready for the day, then just keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to use the Professional Hydrate Benefit Primer. Alright, so let's put this. Not too much because a little goes a long way with this. Get this so my hair stays out of the way. There. Alright, so I'm going into the little beauty blender, and then NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So I'm still not back at work. I plan on going back in September. Okay, I'm nervous to go back to work because of the coronavirus, obviously, because my daughter is only 2 months right now. And serving for the public is kind of scary because you don't wear face masks when you go out to eat, obviously. So germs are just going everywhere. I don't know, part of me is like, should I be this worried? Is it overrated? Or is it really that serious? I don't know what to think sometimes, honestly. The way the news portrays things makes you think like, oh my god, the world's ending. And then there's so many conspiracy theories behind what's going on, and like with all the pedophilia that's happening. I don't know, it's nuts. Oh my god, look at my disgusting fingernail. I haven't had time to get them filled in or take them off myself because Amira is literally always crying. Thankfully she's not crying right now because she's asleep. This is literally my favorite shade in this concealer. It's Fair 12S. It's like perfect, creamy. I told you this was the Shape Tape, didn't I? I don't know. Oh well. Alright, so besides that, I did not enroll my daughter into school this year because I wanted her to have, maybe hopefully next year, all this stuff won't be happening and she'll be able to have a better experience, a kindergarten experience. And she's only 5. I didn't go to school until I was 6. So I'm not really worried about it or concerned. But I don't know, it's so sad. I hope it's not like this next year, but part of me feels like it's going to be. I'm so happy to be finally recording again. I've missed being able to sit down and just do my makeup. I feel like it's been ages. My daughter just woke up, so I'll be right back. I hate when I get powder all over my lips because it makes my lips look even more puny than what they already are. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. I mean, honestly, it's lasted me a long time. There's still a lot left in here, and I've been using it like the whole time during quarantine. And this brush, you guys, that I'm using is the IT Cosmetics powder brush. We have any Luxe Wand Ball powder, and it's kind of small in your hand, but when you put on the powder, it just goes on so soft and seamless, poreless. I don't bake anymore. Video that I seen, I'm sure you guys have seen it too. It's this dude on Facebook that gives you all these makeup tricks, and he was talking about how baking like puts too much powder on the skin, and like it's just too much product at once, so it's more prone to creasing when you bake. So I tested it out and I quit doing it, and it works. I mean, my makeup doesn't crease as much anymore since I quit baking, and it lasts just as long as it would have. Actually, I think it lasts longer when I don't bake. I don't know, that mindset, like I got into that mindset of thinking that baking would keep my makeup on longer because you're putting on more powder, but that's totally not the case. Like, if you're in your late 20s like me, I'm 26, you think, you know, you just have textured skin, I would not bake if I was you. I would just use a light powder brush. Any powder brush works. But me personally, I love the It Cosmetics brush line. I'm a mega fan. I use it as a bronzer brush. Oh my god, I freaking suck. I didn't even tell you what powder I was using. Morphe bronzer and color originator. But I don't know. Their brushes work amazing on the skin. They're super soft. I'll be right back. My daughter's crying again. I really need some lipstick. So I have switched out my purse. I was using a backpack, and I switched this Michael Kors. I kind of switched back and forth from a purse to a backpack. I guess it just depends on the mood I am that day. If I'm in a hurry and don't want to carry a bunch of things, I'll just carry a little backpack. Especially if I have Amira with me, because I'll have her diaper bag and I don't want to carry like a big purse with me as well. So those types of days I'll carry like a small backpack or something. What the fuck is on my lip? Now this is my go-to lipstick. I literally wear this every single day. Why do my lips look so crooked? I'm so weird. This is the Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. I got such a crooked ass mouth. Oh my god. So we're using the Too Faced Candlelight Glow. Oh snap. This go-to highlighter, wear it every day. Everything that I'm wearing today, I wear every day. If you haven't noticed, because I've literally been saying that over and over. I feel like I'm basic here lately when it comes to makeup, because I don't really have time to change up my routine. Because of Amira, as you can tell, she's crying again. And no, I still do not color in my eyebrows because they're already dark enough. I just don't like the dark ombre whatever eyebrow look. I just don't like it. I don't know. My battery's almost dead. I only have 2 bars left on my battery, so hopefully I have enough time to finish this video look. So for the setting spray, I'm using the All Nighter Urban Decay. So for eyeliner, just using the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I'm using a new camera, so it's kind of like not good at focusing. I feel like it's not a DSLR like my other camera. This is the Canon G7X II Mark II. I mean, it's a very good vlogging camera, but when it comes to like sit down videos, I don't think it really focuses that good. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is my first time doing a sit down video with this camera, so if it doesn't look very good, I might switch back to my DSLR. How would I? My hands are so shaky from drinking so much coffee. Now for mascara, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. I hardly have any lashes left from wearing false eyelashes so much, but wearing mascara makes such a difference because when you're doing your foundation, it gets all over your lashes, so your lashes look non-existent unless you put on mascara, at least for me anyways. Alright, so we did recently just get some new things for the bedroom, a new headboard, a new vanity, so I'm just going to quickly show you guys what that looks like because I love it so much and I'm so freaking happy that we finally got a headboard because we haven't had one for like 5 years. Alright, so this is coming into the bedroom. You see, that's where I was just sitting recording. This is where my old vanity was at. You can see how disgusting it is. And I still might use this to put some cute stuff on it. But yeah, ignore how disgusting my chair is. This is where I take my full body pics. I got this from Home Goods. This is it. Alright, so here's the vanity. I still need to get a mirror because this one's disgusting. It's so dirty. So is this one. It's very dirty. You need to wash it. But so some fake Louis Vuitton, some perfume, salt lamp, some crystals, and of course a Bratz doll that looks like me when I would do my makeup. And then you look ahead and here's the bed. We do need to get some new pillows because these ones are disgusting. Like, I don't know what is on this. But yeah, we got this off of Wayfair. Super cheap but glamorous. It's just so pretty. Like, look at that. So glamorous. Now, Amira stuff is in here. Those are all my purses and whatnot. We keep all of our clothes on this. Helps me stay organized and helps me able to find her some cute outfits and so they don't get all lost. Why is it so dark over here? Well, yeah, there's the bedroom. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'll be even happier once I finally get a better light over here. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!